Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So today we are talking about how to read file from Drive and how to save it remotely, and we can get the data from any file. So let's talk about the how we can remotely handle our folders and files, and we can read that data from our files. So let's see. So we have one integration services. So to open that services, so first of all we have to go Drive, search for Drive. So we'll get the okay, search for Drive. Okay, then you'll get the couple of activities over here. So if you want to read the file, upload the file, you can for the read file you can go for a get file or folder. So we just want file or folder, so that's why I'm doing that. If you want a particular file or folder, so you can pick that one, but I want all folder list, so that's why I'm doing that. So I already connected with my OneDrive. So sorry, I already connected with my Drive, so that's why it's already over there. So I will quickly show you how we can set up that OneDrive setup. Okay, so it's installing over there. Okay, now we can see that so we already have the connection over here because of I already set up my connection with the integration services, so you can quickly add your connection as well. So let me show you how we can add the connection, new connection. So I just want to add my another connection. Right, so over here you just need to select on connect, and you will find the sign in which account you need to add, or which account you want to sign in. So it's very simple. You just have if you have couple of Gmail ID, you can connect with the Drive directly. So I already have one in my PC already. I signed in, so that's why I'm able to see a lot of uh, my accounts over here. So I whatever the things that I have, I already signed in. So over here you can see that. So you can see that we already signed in, but yeah, that's the way you can sign in your account, and you can see it here in which location you want to in which from which folder you want to select. So as a activity said that get file or folder list. So you must be means you maybe get the file or folder as well, so particular folder list or particular file, but you need to choose that one. So what to return. So if you want to go for the files and folders, you can go here, or if you want to go for the folders, you can go over here. So I want files from my particular folder, so I'm here, and I'm selecting my recent. So I'm selecting my folder. I already created a folder over here, and then save. Okay, so i I have that folder, and in that folder I have two files. So let me just quick give you the for each. You can use the for each for checking all folder name. So files and folder. Will take some time, so meanwhile we can see that the okay, so we have that. And let me go for the log. I just wanted to check what are the file names. Log info. And I just wanted to check the file name, so you can see it here. The for each current drive remote items, you will see the lot of things over here. So you can just go for uh, you just go for the name, and you will get the name as well. So if you want to see the expression, you can directly see the expression as well. So in the expression editor, you can see that the current drive remote items dot name. So if you can remove that one, it's okay. It's okay to have that one. Yes, so save it. And let me just quickly give you how much files we have in that drive. In the output panel, you can see that the process is running. Okay, you can see that the name of the files is appointments and customer email. So yes, we have two files in folder. And if you want to read the read all files, data tables, so what you can do, just copy that file. If so, what I'm doing that, if that file is uh, over there, so I just wanted to file name is this. Sorry, this one. Let's copy it. And I just wanted to build the expression. And what I'm saying that, if the name of that drive is equal to this, not this one. So I just wanted to appointment. If the name of that file name is appointment, right? So spelling is good. Okay, so if it is equal to appointment, so we'll read the data table of that file. So our main motive of that video is to understand how we can read the file from remotely. So we don't have that file in our local. So uh, read range workbook. So here you will get the functionality of that so what I'm doing so let me just revise once again. We are using a get file folder name. So we are using a get file folder name. In that get file folder name, we are verifying our connection. Then we are selecting our folder name, and in that property we are selecting the files or that option. If you want to do anything, you can pick that one. So accordingly your values will change. The output, you can change the output from here. So you can change the variable, or you can change the uh, name of that variable. So as I want default variable, so that's why I have created that one. So it's for each loop. We are giving a for each loop to a loop with that how much folder or how much files we have in um, that folder. So we need to just understand if we'll find that which files we have. Uh, so I just created the if statement. If the appointment file is there, so you can trigger the then, or else I don't want anything over there. So you can see it here in the read range. uh, we have the two options over here. Is first one is, if your file is locally available, you can read that file from local. Or here is in that button, you can see that the use file resource. So you can just click on that one, and you can select the this one. So it will read the file from OneDrive itself, because that is the remote file, and the file variable type is iResource. So it want that one. And we have the same appointments sheet name in that. So we are saving here, and the range, we don't require range as of now. And the output of that file is data table. So I just wanted to check if we'll able to read that one or not. So you can just go here, or you can just change the variable name, or create the variable here as a data table. I'm using that one. Okay, now here you can now here you can use the log message to understand how much data we have in that folder. So just wanted to check if the data is over there or not, because our main motive of that video is to get to understand if we'll able to read that data or not. So we'll get the variable as a data table, and here we are just checking how much how much data we have in that file. So just wanted to understand that. So what I'm doing here, expression, so we don't want that, and so that. So what I'm doing, current row, sorry, uh, row count. So we want row count. Okay, so we have that one, and I just need to understand how much data we have in that folder, and we'll check that one from my drive as well. So here you have that one, and you can just debug that to understand how much data we have in that file. So data table dot row count is giving us a integer value, how much columns or how much row we have in that file. So you can see that 9 is our output. So it means we can read the data from drive itself. So first, just wanted to quick recap. Gate file is the one activity we are using. Then we are using whatever the variable we have as output. So we are looping that variable, and if you can use if or whatever, means your logic, um, as per your logic or as per your process you can do your logics. So for that example I'm giving only simple examples, or we can just change our activity to get one file or folder. So so that is our main. So that if after the if statement I'm using the read range workbook and creating, so here you can see that we can change the two options over here: use local file or use file resource. So a file resource is I resource. You can see that this is type of I resource or JD drive remote item. So in the UiPath Studio, we can call it as I resource, and here we have the JD drive remote items. You can see that here, right? So it's not the type of that, but yeah, definitely I think so. It's a I resource. So in the data manager, if you can see that the type of that JD Google Drive remote item. Yeah, so that's the main motive of that video. If you like that video, please like, share, subscribe the video, and follow for more updating videos. Thank you.